इतले एमएलए उलयत आसतना तांचे ऑपोजीट काल पार्सेकाराक देखून सपोर्ट केला एगेन्स्ट डॉक्टर्स ते हांव कोणाचें हें करिना मिकी म्हजो सुप्रिमो जालो म्हूण ताचे हांगा घेवन हें करचो ना लोकांचे मदें तेणें ताका कसो पुलिशेन त्रासान घातला ते हांव नको इफ इट इज रायट ओ रॉंग तातूंत हांव वचना पूण हांगा हांचे कितें ना कितें लिंक आसा देखून हांची नांवां हांगा आसात.
सो यू आर सेइंग दॅट नेम्स जी नांवां आसात
हय
ती ऑथेंटीक आसात.
authentic asa but they are involved in that 100% involved in that I don't know but we want somehow we put their names in that that we have to go end on our target.
So तुम्ही ब्लाइंडली घालना
blindly कोणाक घालूंक ना it is not that
प्रमोद म्हाका एक गोष्ट क्लॅरिफाय करपाक जाय.
if you see Krishna and all very good with me like what is our SP Alan he was a very nice person to me like we was this thing if nice person means I cannot leave him if he is involved.
You have to probe him.
Yeah.
Michael, your point. तुम्ही सांग
See, the report is purely based on assumptions and presumptions. Assumptions and presumptions cannot be
So this is
to
what your
nail
member is saying.
somebody on the wall. Let me be very frank.
Assumptions
Police officers
and
cannot be
presumptions.
nailed on the wall. They are our protectors. I am not
प्रत्येक
protecting any police
मनशाचेर
officer in this. But
प्रत्येक मनशाचेर
who-
कितें
who
ना
was
कितें तरी
supposed to be
सबस्टन्स
nailed?
आसा
who was
तो म्हणटा
supposed to
कित तरी
be-
आसा.
आसा
No,
substance.
no.
Without
See, I'll tell you
substance.
something. People who are involved in the drug trade were arrested, and if anybody else is involved,
now let's-
CBI got a case. CBI is investigating. They will not leave anybody.
Okay. मागे
Let them be arrested.
Michael, मागे गजाल
If any
Straight.
police officer is there.
Let's come to
But
the
we naming them on this report
Yeah.
is totally biased. Is totally against.
Okay.
You know,
now
the
let's
basic
come to the
principle.
let's come to the core issue that is Ravi Naik आणि रॉय नाईक जांकां तुम्ही डायरेक्ट इंडिक्ट केला ह्या रिपोर्टांत. You are okay with that point?
See, Ravi Naik and Roy Naik. Ravi Naik was the Honorable Home Minister earlier. Roy Naik, his son his name had figured. He was regularly visiting Kalangut. I had seen him in his own, in my own
Anybody
eyes.
can visit Kalangut.
No,
What
I'm
is that?
just
What is
telling
that?
you. In certain areas, his name was continuously figuring in Kalangut when I was not an MLA. That people were saying, I don't have evidence. People were saying that he is coming to collect money from different people who are selling drugs. He used to visit also the other coastal belt. It was alleged. I'm not saying I have any evidence. I don't have any evidence.
Your report right now says
No, I am not a part of this report. I have given my dissent on the report.
you agree with the
Purely-
finding of Roy Naik and Ravi Naik or you don't agree?
See,
you
Roy
agree
Naik-
or disagree? You
No,
just tell me that.
Roy Naik and Ravi Naik's involvement was there to a certain extent, but I don't have evidence.
You agree with the finding?
I have already given my dissent. I don't agree.
बरोबर. ना तुमची तरी तर तुमची आता थंय जशें मिकीची वायटपण आसा तुमची रवी आनी रॉया बद्दल वायटपण
ना कोणा बद्दल
मिकीची पुलिसा कडेन वायटपण आहा तुजी रॉय आनी
काय ना अजिबात ना. अदरवायज ऑल पुलीस ऑफिसर्स आर माय फ्रेंड. ऑल पुलीस ऑफिसर्स हू आर इंडिकेटेड दे आर माय फ्रेंड. दे आर माय कंपेनियन्स
Do
एंड
you-
गुड फ्रेंड्स.
तुम्ही
Here
तुम्ही
there is
तुमच्या
no
point हांव clarify करतले हांव.
रिपोर्टां भितर सांगतात
Tarnishing the image of Goa police.
Okay, येता
Somebody
Michael,
is
I'll come to you.
tarnishing the image of
Okay,
Goa
I'll
police,
come to you.
which we have to keep
Okay,
on top.
okay.
We cannot
Okay.
allow this
No,
image
but
to
मागे
get
गजाल
spoiled.
मागे गजाल सांग तुम्ही you have your report suggests in the end that Goa government should act on this report and file FIR within next 15 days.
रायट.
तुमकां दिसता की रॉय आनी रवी बाबतींत जेन्ना कोस्टल बेल्टांतले एमएलए म्हणटा की आपल्या कडेन सुद्दां एविडन्स ना म्हणून तुमची ह्या रिपोर्टा भितर इतली एविडन्स आसा की फाल्यां रॉय नायक आनी रवी नायका कडच्यान डायरेक्ट केसी घालपाक जातात.
पळय बिफोर गोईंग टू दॅट पॉयंट म्हाका एक हांगा क्लॅरिफाय करपाक जाय. तुवें म्हटलें न्ही लोक बेजार जातले आमचे राग येतलो म्हणून ह्या रिपोर्टा खातीर. नो बडी वील बी दीस अनहॅपी. एवरी वन इन टावन एक्सेप्ट सम पुलीस दे वील बी अनहॅपी.
म्हाका सांगात तुमचे कडेन रवी नायक आनी रॉय नायका
दुसरो.
अगेन्स्ट क्लिंचिंग एविडन्स आसा फाल्यां FIR घालपा खातीर.
भितर क्लिंचिंग एविडन्स आसा आनी इफ द इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन इज प्रॉपरली डन CBI कडेन CBI जर इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन सारकें करीत जाल्यार हार्ड डिस्काचेर जे पळय कॉल डिटेल्स आमकां आमच्यो टेलिफोन हें दिना डिपार्टमेंट दिना आयडिया सेल्युलर बी तें सुद्दां रिकवर करपाचें तेंचे कडेन मशिनरी आसा आनी दे कॅन डू इट इफ इट इज
You are saying there is clinching evidence.
आनी देर इज क्लिंचिंग एविडन्स ओनली बिकॉज why those cases were not registered and investigated at that point of time. कित्याक Ravi was home minister at that time, and all police officers were dancing on the tunes of the fingers of home minister at that time. Those are my allegations, and I can prove that.
ओके यू कॅन प्रूव्ह दॅट काय जावं म्हाका एक गजाल सांग स्पेसिफिकली तुम्ही सांगा मेन्शन केला की रॉय नाईक वॉज किंग पिन ऑफ ड्रग माफिया म्हणून
हय.
तुका दिसता की हातूंत भितर इतलो एविडन्स आसा की यू कॅन कॉल रॉय नाईक किंग पिन ऑर तुमी इल्ली मातशी ओवर एन्थुजियाझम दाखयला हें बरयतना
ना बरयतना आमी तातूंत जाणा आमचे कडेन थोडी प्रूफ आसात आनी थोडी हे प्रूफ आसा हे प्रूफ करूंक जाय म्हणून पुलीस ऑफिसरांक इनवॉल्व केला हातूंत कित्याक एक देर इज अ कनेक्शन जरूर तर कनेक्शन ना जाल्यार आमकां सारकी प्रूफ मेळची ना तर ही प्रूफ करून पयले पुलीस ऑफिसरान केले जाल्यार इतली आमकां करची गरज नासली सो गोंयच्या लोकांक गोंयच्या जनताक हे दाखोवपाक जातालें गोव्हर्मेंट कोणाचीच सायड घेयना म्हणून नाही तो पुलीस ऑफिसर कोणूच जावं केला एमएलए केला एमएलए
आदल्या होम मिनिस्टरान ताजे चल्याचेर इतले सिरियस आरोप करपा खातीर तुमचे कडेन एविडन्स आसा यू हॅव की देर इज इनफ एविडन्स टू फायल अ एफआयआर अगेन्स्ट देम
एफआयआर ते आतां कंटिन्यूस हे केले उपरांत हांकां सगळ्याचे हाडले इन्क्वायरी केले उपरांत आनी हे एविडन्साक लागून आमकां कोण म्हणटात आतां मायकल म्हणटा ते भाशेन लोक बेजार जातलो लोक आमचे
म्हणना लोक बेजार
पुलीस
जातलो म्हणून.
पुलीस हे करतात म्हणून पुलीस आमकां प्रोटेक्ट करता म्हणून आमचे प्रोटेक्ट करतात तेच आमकां सारकें ना म्हणून लोक पयलींच बॉब मारता तर लोकांक विश्वास दाखोवपाक आमी कितें करूंक जाय न्ही आमी लोकांक लागून आयले न्ही कित्याक तर लोकांक आमकां जस्टीस दितलो जाल्यार आमकां सगळ्यांकूच
जो
target
विश्वास
करूंक जाय.
पुलिसेन वगडायला
हय,
तो
तो
रिस्टोर करपाची जबाबदारी तुमची
आमची
हें बरोबर न्ही मायकल
जो जे आधी चालू आसले जे ड्रग ट्रेड चालू आसलो जे पुलीस अरेस्ट जाल्या पॉलिटिशियन पुलीस ड्रग नेक्सस त्या खातीर म्हटला अरेस्ट जाले पुलीस भितर आसले इवन दे सोल्ड द ड्रग्स फ्रॉम द मालखाना ओके दॅट इज वाय दे वर अरेस्टेड
That is there, that is here.
आम्ही
That is clearly written here.
2013 आहा आता पत्तून आम्ही टार्निश करूया आमची इमेज पुलिसाची गोवा पुलिसाची दे आर डुईंग अ गुड जॉब येस्टरडे 4 kilos ड्रग्स वर कॉट 2 crore 5 lakhs ड्रग्स काल अरेस्ट केले वी नीड टू
Michael,
support them.
no,
we need to,
if we are not
need to
targeting,
say that
if we are
yes,
not
they are
targeting, we
doing
should
a
stop
good job.
this committee
They
before
are
only.
doing a good job. We need to
Why
be
now?
happy. If they are doing
We should
anything
go
wrong,
out.
Okay.
they should be punished.
ओके कितें म्हणटाले तुमी
हांव म्हणटा कितें जरूर तर आमी ताका टार्गेट करचें 3 वर्सांच्या उपरांत टार्गेट करता जाल्यार तर आमी ही कमिटी पयलींच बंद करची
जायज कितें आशिल्ली आमची committee? कितें आशिल्ली committee?
वाय टू वेस्ट अ टाइम
फक्त
We
रवी
try
नायक आनी
to-
रॉय नायका धरपाक कमिटी
Why
जाय
the-
आशिल्ली.
the
We
first
try
target
to
was- we
investigate
have to take out
whether
our
the nexus was really existing between the top policemen. I have not found any evidence against the top policemen who are involved in this
Michael,
nexus.
which is the part in this report that you believe is true? Or nothing
It
is
is-
true?
it is
It cannot
very-
be. Nothing is true जावपाक शकना न्ही.
It is very difficult
It is very difficult to say what is
to
true.
say that whether it is true
You
or false.
are Kalangut MLA.
But 100%.
We don't expect Kalangut MLA to say this.
The name of
See.
Roy Naik was figuring and is still figuring.
Tell
that needs to be investigated.
That needs to be investigated.
Tell,
Okay.
tell me now.
I stand by it.
Till now, in Kalanguts, drugs lords are still roaming are free.
And Michael knows about them.
And nobody.
No.
Why the police are not
See,
involved in
And
that?
Michael knows about them.
He should know. It is in his area.
It is in his area.
Earlier, whatever was going on has been totally stopped, and even who were selling, I gave the names, and raids were conducted. One person was arrested.
See,
now he is released.
we are shouting in the assembly. We don't want the drugs. Our kids are getting these things. Let's try. Let's do it. If that police are not there,
See, you cannot do it by putting the.
We are
by
not putting them under
tarnishing
the bar.
name
We are
of
not-
the- see,
we are not
once
putting on a bar.
See, once police officers are working for the public, and if once a politician is standing up and nailing them, ki baba तुम्ही हा म्हणून drugs and their moral, the moral will go down
Okay.
to
Okay.
even work for the.
लो म्हाका एक गजाल सांगा
We cannot
हातूंत जर
lower the
हातूंत एक
moral-
भयानक
morality.
मागणी केल्या कळ्ळें तुका ती मागणी सामकी आमी ब्रेकिंग चलयता आमकां सुद्दां फोन आयले कितें काय म्हणून कितें म्हळ्यार रवी नायक्स MLA-ship should be expelled from MLA-ship retrospectively
2007.
from 2007 and all the salaries and allowances should be recovered.
I'm
हे
coming to that.
कितें ही तुजी मागणी कशी दिसता म्हाका
Once
ही
case
म्हाका तुजी मागणी कशी दिसता ही म्हाका रिपोर्टाची दिसना
नाही माझी आसपास शकता
म्हाका हांसता सामकें कळटा
I will not deny it.
You will not deny it.
I will not deny it. Okay. पळय. Once case is registered, if it is properly investigated, कोण जे पळय भितर ना तितले एक 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 करून भायर सरताले एट दीस पॉयंट ऑफ टायम आमकां तो इशू घेवन बसपाची गरजच ना आनी
पण
इवन दॅट रिपोर्ट
हय.
असो सुद्दां म्हणटालो न्ही these particular persons are involved आणि these are suspected to be involved आणि इंडिकेशन तशेंच आसा
MLA शी 5 वर्सां पयलींची काढून घेवपाची
नाही
Retrospectively?
if he is found
Guilty.
guilty from retrospective effect then of
Of course, that punishment should be.
Okay.
Neither,
इफ इट इज एस्टॅब्लिश
Yes.
मागीर एक सिरियस गजाल आसा ती म्हळ्यार तुमी सांगला की ड्रग्सा भितर जो पयसो थंय जे जालो इट वॉज लॉन्डर्ड फॉर एंटी नॅशनल एक्टिविटीज तुमकां खरेंच दिसता की इट हॅज रीच टू सच अ लेवल दॅट द मनी गॉट डायवर्टेड इन टू एंटी नॅशनल एक्टिविटीज अँड NIA शुड इन्व्हेस्टिगेट इट
see, अँटी नॅशनल म्हणजे आताचो हे पळय आतां करतात ड्रग्स डिलर्स ते कितें करतात अँटी नॅशनल कित्याक तो आमचो फ्युचर काबार करतात आमच्या युथाचो फ्युचर काबार यंग भुरगे ड्रग्स घेवंक लागले सो वॉट इज लेफ्ट इन द कंट्री इट इज टोटली डिस्ट्रॉय
ओके
वी डोंट वॉन्ट आउटसाइडर टू कम
सो यू वॉन्ट अ NIA probe नॅशनल इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन एजन्सी शुड प्रोब दिस एंटायर मॅटर
या
ओके म्हाका लास्ट सांगा तुमचो वेळ सोंपला लू बाब तुम्ही सुरवातीक सांगिल्लें की प्रत्येक गजाल आपूण एग्री करतलो असं ना म्हणून वॉट इज वन थिंग फ्रॉम दिस रिपोर्ट बिकॉज यू हॅव सायन्ड वॉट इज वन थिंग फ्रॉम दिस रिपोर्ट दॅट यू डोंट एग्री
ऑफकोर्स तातूंत पळय बारीक बारीक मायनर
लायक एक एक्झाम्पल
एक्झाम्पल मायनर पळय इश्यूज
कसलो दिन तो एक्झाम्पल
फॉर एक्झाम्पल किशन कुमाराक जो पळय इंडिकेट केला फॉर नॉन कॉपरेशन
हय.
टू
No.
Wait, I'll come to you. Wait.
See, he is
I'll
not
come to
inducted
you.
for non-cooperation.
I'll come to you.
ही इज इंडक्टेड
Okay, so किशन कुमार यू फील दॅट मातशी एक ओव्हरबोर्ड जाला
या
दॅट यू एग्री ओके एक गजाल जी तुम्ही सायन केला म्हणून विचारता विच यू डोंट एग्री बट यू सायन की ओके
ना हांवें सायन केल्ले हांव एग्री जायना म्हणून न्ही हांव एग्री जाता तांची टोटली इन्क्वायरी करची म्हणून
100% यू एग्री
100% एग्री जाता इन्क्वायरी करूंक जाय म्हणून नॉट टू पनिश देम नॉट टू पनिश देम when they found
they
a
are
guilty
innocent,
if they are innocent
release
Release them.
okay last Michael one thing in this report which you agree
I cannot say that I'm agreeing anything from this report because we sat over on this report to find out whether the senior police officers, that is politician and police, were really involved or not.
Yes
There
or
is
no?
no clinching evidence or not even evidence to prove.
there is
that-
nothing in this 100-page report that you agree Michael
No, I cannot say
क्लिंचिंग
that I'm-
एव्हिडन्स इन्व्हेस्टिगेट करतगीर मेळटलो
Investigation
आता
needs
कसं
to be
मेळटलो?
done.
तुम्ही म्हणता की prima facie evidence असा
यस प्राइमा फेसी
You don't say
Investigation needs to be done.
No
Yes,
prima
of
facie
course.
we
evidence
have not investigated
we are not going to
I have
investigate
no
we have-
prima facie
we have
evidence.
inquired and
I don't think there is any
established there was
prima facie
link
evidence
Yes.
to because it is totally you read the report you will come to know what it is.
नो प्रायमा फेसी एविडन्स सो म्हाका हांव इतल्याचेर थांबता कारण म्हजो वेळ सारको सोंपला गोंयकारांनी ही चर्चा म्हाका दिसता बरे भशेन आयकल्या 3 व्यू आशिल्ले एटलिस्ट लवू बाबाच्या एक मायकलाक दिसता की DGPचेर वचप इट वॉज लिटील ओवरबोर्ड थंय खंय तरी ते वचपाची गरज नाशिल्ली बिकॉज ही इज नोन एज एन अपरायट ऑफिसर काही तुका म्हणटा की DGP जावं कोणी जावं प्रोब करात पण जर सुटलो ताका जर काय मेळना कांयच करपाची गरज ना आनी मायकल म्हणटा की देर इज नॉट इवन प्रायमा फेसी एविडन्स पण सरकाराक हो रिपोर्ट हा सबमीट जाला खंय तरी ताणें मागणी केल्या की ह्या रिपोर्टाच्या आधाराचेर 15 दिसां भितर रवी नायक रॉय नायक आनी ज्या पुलीस ऑफिसरांची नांवां ह्या रिपोर्टा भितर आसात तांचेर FIR घालचे म्हूण तुमी तिगी जाण आयले आनी इतली मेकळेपणान आपली मतां मांडली थँक्स अ लॉट पळयत रावात प्रुडंट नमस्कार